Randy!
Yeah, man, up here.
Podcast. What's this here, Randy?
That's probably a carburetor to a 1958 Fordson Sherman edition.
What are you, just psychic or something?
Yep.
Ruin the whole surprise. Oh, he's right. The Fordson pump is here. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Hey, check it out. Look at that. Just look at that. Now just look at that. Oh yeah. Did you see? Oh. Nice. Come look at my stuff. Yeah, baby. Michael, you want to do the honors? You want to show the public there what we got? All right, guys. You might know this feller here. Anybody know this feller?
Howdy.
All right, tell me who he is in the comments.
We have. You can take it out of the package.
What you got there now? That's beautiful there. Whoa, bro, what's that?
Brand new, just like the original fuel pump,
Fuel pump?
diesel pump.
Oh, there you go. Diesel pump.
Diesel.
You say original. I can't hardly see it in that plastic there. We might want to open it up.
Glass ball.
Let's open it up there. Oh yeah, it's a good shot there, though. Get that right open. Dig it open. Just tear it apart. Just tear it apart.
Oh no, that's glass. We can't be rough with it.
Oh, we gotta be careful.
Yes.
She's a beautiful girl. We gotta touch it so delicately there. Oh, and hold it in our pocket. Oh, just men's put our hands all over it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I want to stick my finger in it.
Randy,
The glass bubble.
gotta love it.
Look at that. Those didn't have a glass bubble.
All right, so I guess we ought to.
But you nice.
I guess we ought to get that thing installed there now, huh? Oh yeah, that's what's up. Another beautiful day in paradise. Gotta love it. Welcome back to the channel, the page, the space, the place to be. That's what's up. Out here in the middle of pasture, Lone Grove, Oklahoma. Just doing what little old country boys do. I guess I'm a country boy now. Born and raised in Phoenix, Arizona. That's what's up. Gotta love it. Yeah, we're about to get this old girl fired up. Got the fuel pump in today. Oh yeah. Sexy. Sexy mans. You guys need your own TV show. Yeah.
Hollywood.
You're definitely Hollywood material. Well, anyway, we got that old fuel pump put on the Fordson. There she is. Beautiful, baby. Old style, old school. What you guys know about that? Nothing. Oh yeah, hey, and we got the ram fixed. Remember it was plumb busted off right there. I welded up that last week. She's gonna need a lot of polishing, but you know, everything's fun. Got to rub on the hoe. Stop touching my hoe.
See my tires.
My hoe weighs a lot in the rear.
Yeah, I thought we
What's
shared,
that?
I thought we shared everything. I'm looking for the tire size. That's a big size gun.
That's a name brand.
Ford.
All right, you ready for it? Try to fire it up?
Yeah.
All right, Randy. I guess we're ready. You're about 3 sprays there.
That's right.
Yeah. Here another one. And you can't put too much. All right, we're gonna put her on compression strokes now.
Right.
All righty.
Don't blow that block up. Ready?
Sure. I'm gonna get ready to kill it. Where's it at? Can it be compressor?
Yeah. Oh. That's decompression.
tractor runs. Our tractor runs. Yeah! Our tractor runs. Our tractor runs. Our tractor runs. Yeah! Hey! Hey! Yeah, buddy! That's what's up! Oh yeah! Gotta love it, bro! She runs! Ha ha! That wasn't a bad purchase after all. That's what's up, right there, baby. That's some gun burning diesel. Yeah. Now I gotta go make it quit misfiring. Thanks for watching, guys. Push like and share on my shit. Gotta love it. Peace out.